Welcome to your Modified Mastering A&P student registration video for Anatomy and Physiology lecture and lab courses at Palm Beach State College. During this video, we will walk you through how to register for mastering through your Canvas course, how to navigate your mastering course, and how to contact Pearson Tech Support. When you purchase your Mastering Access Code, think of it as if you are purchasing your course materials. You're going to need it to be successful in your course, and it's going to give you great tools to help you study and feel confident going into your quizzes and exams. So let's go ahead and walk you through how to register for Mastering with eTextbook, and I will show you all of our great resources for practice tests, quizzes, animations, videos, and much more. Being as your professor linked Mastering to Canvas, this allows you to be able to open up your Canvas course, which go ahead and do that now. And now that you're in your Canvas course, you'll notice your MyLab and Mastering link on the left-hand navigation bar. This is what we're going to use to register today. Once you're in this link, MyLab and Mastering, you'll notice the cover image of your textbook and then this button where it says Open MyLab and Mastering. So go ahead and click on Open MyLab and Mastering so we can go ahead and register. After you click on the license agreement, you will be brought to your registration page, where you can either sign in with your Pearson account, or if you forgot your username and password, click on this link and an email will get sent to you so that way you can log in with your Pearson account. If you're new to Pearson, go ahead and create a new account. And while you're doing that, please use your Palm Beach State College email address. So go ahead and either sign in or create your account now. At this point, you will be brought to the page where it asks you to either enter in your access code from the bookstore or you can purchase Access Direct. If you're purchasing Access Direct, you have an option for the 24-month access code, and that is going to give you access for mastering with the eTextbook, and that's $119.99. Here is an option without eTextbook. However, I would not recommend this option. And then lastly, we have a 1 semester option that is going to give you access to Mastering with eTextbook for 1 semester. So there are several different options. Please choose which option you think is best for you and your path at Palm Beach State College. Lastly, if you're waiting on financial aid, click on the bottom where it says Get Temporary Access Without Payment for 14 days. So this will give you access right away if you're waiting on financial aid or for anything to secure within the bookstore. Then just come back in here and then type in your access code from the bookstore or purchase Access Direct within that 14-day period. So once you choose your option, then you're going to be brought right into your mastering page. So here you are on your mastering course homepage, and if your professor has assigned content, you will notice it available on the due date within that calendar. So you would just simply click on the assignment and begin your work. You can also access your eTextbook here on the tab that says eText. And now that you have paid access to Mastering with eText, you can download the Pearson Plus app on your phone or tablet so you can study and take notes offline. So that's the Pearson Plus app. But for now, let's go ahead and access my eTextbook. And right away, your text is going to pick up where you left off so you can continue your reading. Or you can navigate under your table of contents, simply open up your chapter and go right into the section number that your professor is asking for you to read. So you can also highlight and take notes. So in this area, if you felt like it was important to you and you wanted to highlight it, just take your mouse and hover over the area. Then you can create highlights and notes with colors. So we have yellow and we have a blue and a pink, so you can color code. You can create flashcards as well. So then you also can navigate quick and easily to different pages on the scrub bar. You can do keyword searching. And here is your notebook. So as you are creating notes, you can export your notes to a PDF version to help you study. Here is an area under Study where you can create your own flashcards. And then lastly, you can adjust the way that your textbook is going to be scene, whether you want to zoom in or zoom out, single page or double page. So that's your e-text, available also on the Pearson Plus app. So let's go into your study area. The study area is going to be available to you to watch animations, videos, take practice quizzes, and much more. And here you can study by chapter. So go to chapter 1, and you will notice there's a pre-test, there's a practice test, there's the links to the e-textbook, and a lot of different interactive section reviews. So that's the study by chapter. We also have the practice tests and quizzes, animations and videos, tons and tons of animations and videos. So instead of going to YouTube, I definitely recommend coming into this study area so that way you know that the videos you're watching are vetted and voiced by the author team at Pearson, so it matches what you're reading and what your professor is explaining to you. We have interactive physiology, lab manual study area, lab videos, practice anatomy lab, and flashcards. So a lot of great tools, whether you're taking the lecture or the lab for A&P, to really make sure that you're going to be successful in the course. So going back to your mastering page, if you have any questions for Pearson, click on the top right where it says help and support, and you can reach out to Pearson. Or you can go back into your Canvas page and click on help and support and click on go to Pearson support. Here you can type in what your concern is and Pearson will send you some links instantly. Or under the student tab, you can find frequently asked questions, click on that, and Pearson will also try to assist you with troubleshooting tips. And lastly, if you still need Pearson support, click on Contact Us on the top right, and Pearson will reach out to you once you provide who you are and what your issue is. And when you are reaching out to Pearson support, please mention that your course is linked to Canvas. And now that your My Lab and Mastering course is linked to Canvas, you're going to come back here and click on My Lab and Mastering and just open My Lab and Mastering to get started. And you also have student links that are going to allow you to quickly and efficiently go right into your e-textbook and go right into your study area or the course homepage. So definitely some quick links to ensure that you are getting what you need when you want it. That concludes your student registration video for Mastering A&P.